Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is your first look at the retail packaging for the gold iPhone XS Max. So, let's dive in. As you can see, the packaging is very familiar now. It's a clean white box, complete with the big raised iPhone graphic on the top, showcasing the phone's new wallpaper, or one of them. On top of the phone, you'll find the standard plain white cardboard sleeve, with the twin Apple stickers, warranty info, and the illustrated quick start guide. You'll also find the SIM ejector tool here. Then we can move the iPhone to one side and see what else comes in the box. Now, it's probably no surprise to see this phone shipped with a pair of Lightning connector equipped earpods, but it is perhaps disappointing to see there's no 3.5mm adapter this year. Similarly, despite being a big powerful phone, the wall adapter is the same 5-watt adapter we've had for years. And of course, there's also the Lightning cable. But let's put that all away and get to the phone. Now, undoubtedly the colour of choice this year is the gold model, which we have. It's hard to tell from the video, but as well as being a really nice creamy beige colour, it has a reflective metallic quality to it, perfectly complemented by the golden, shiny, polished steel edges. Like the 10 and the XS, there's a lightning port alongside a mic and speaker on the bottom edge. The volume buttons and mute switch are on the left, and the longish wake sleep button is on the right. Of course, there's that notch on the front that has the earpiece and the 7-megapixel front-facing camera, as well as all the sensors required for Face ID. And that protruding 12-megapixel dual camera system is surrounded by a gold-colored metal frame on the back. If you have an older iPhone model, you can make use of the quick start setup method that was introduced with iOS 11. Bring your two phones next to each other, make sure Bluetooth is on, and follow the simple process. You can then restore your new phone from an iCloud backup, pop your SIM in the newly designed tray, and it'll just be the same setup as your last iPhone. Now, it's when you put the iPhone XS Max alongside the 8 Plus that you really see the scale of the 6.5-inch display on the front. The two phones are similar in size, but that screen dominates the entire front. And despite technically being a larger screen than the Galaxy Note 9, Samsung's phone is clearly taller. Now, as undoubtedly you'll already know, inside Apple has a new 7nm 6-core A12 Bionic processor. It not only makes it fast and efficient, but also means added features like Smart HDR in the camera and adjustable depth blur in portrait mode photos. And don't forget those customizable Memojis that come with iOS 12, which is loaded onto the phone out of the box. You can now make your own character, adjusting everything from skin and eye color to hair and jewelry. Now, overall, it just looks and feels fantastic as a device. If you're into big phones, particularly big iPhones, this is definitely the one for you, but there is the issue of the price. With it starting at virtually £1,100 and going all the way up to £1,500, it's quite the investment, and certainly not an impulse purchase. You can read our full review on Pocket-lint.com now, so be sure to check that out. Again, the link is below. We'll be bringing you some tips and tricks to try later this week, but for now, I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.